Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. It's Gayatri and you're watching Gayatri's Crafts. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to make this gift box at home. It's very easy to make and I think it's a perfect gift for birthday and anniversary. You can put photos with messages and you can put some small gifts in this box. So let's start making this. So first I will design these photos in my phone. I have Android phone. So here I'm using Canva app. I downloaded this app from Play Store. Click on plus icon. Click on custom size. Fill A4 pixel size. Now click on color option. Select black color. And now I will type some text in notes. So here I am typing, you make me happy, you are my sunshine. Now select and click on copy, paste this. Select again, click on copy and paste. So basically I need text in background, that's why I'm doing this. And now select all these text and copy this and I will paste this here. Click on text option, paste and select font style. Now click on spacing. Here I am changing its letter and line spacing. You can change according to you. Now set this text on whole page. And now click on elements. Select square shape. Change its color. Resize this and tap on this. You will see three icons. Click on copy icon and set this. Now click on gallery option for photos. I have already uploaded photos. So here I am selecting upload option and now select a photo. Place this like this. Now click on this picture. Click on copy icon. Now click on replace icon. Change the photo. Now click on text option. Type text. You can add text according to you. Here I am changing its font style. Now make copies of this sheet. You will see an icon in bottom. Click on this. Now click on duplicate option. Here I am making 6 copies of it and now I will change photo and text in all these copy sheet like this. And for box lid, make one more copy of this design. Remove these 2 designs. Click on elements, search heart shape. Select this. Change its color. Click on text. Type text. Change font style. And I change all the photos and text in copied designs. now I will download this design. Click on Save option, click on Download, select File Type, select PDF Print, click on Download. I print this out on A4 glossy photo paper from nearest printing shop. Now cut this using cutter and scale. This is how I cut all these photos. Now take a white chart paper, paste these photos on this using glue. Leave some space on top and also leave some space in between two photos like I'm doing here, so we can fold it easily. Cut extra paper. Do same with remaining photos. Now I will crease the paper using scale and cutter so paper can fold easily. Use cutter very lightly. Fold this in zigzag pattern. Paste this using glue. Take ribbon, make bow. Paste this like I'm doing here. It's a sunboard sheet. I bought this from local market and it's also available on Amazon. Link I have mentioned in description if you want to buy. And if you don't have sunboard, you can also use cardboard instead of this. Place photo on this. Take measurement leaving 1 cm from all sides. Cut this using cutter. You can take a screenshot of measurements. Paste this using Polyfix glue. I'm making box lid. Paste sellotape on backside of box. Paint this using black spray paint and it's a glossy finish spray paint. Do 2 layers of paint for perfect finishing. Here I am pasting ribbon on both sides for lid. Here I am using acrylic color. I mixed some yellow color in white paint and painting this using sponge. I paint this ribbon also. Take measurement of lid and cut this according to measurement. Paste this using glue. Do the same for bottom. Here I am using golden paper. I created this name in Canva app and print this on normal paper. Paste this using glue. Let it dry and cut this using cutter. Paste this using glue. This is string light. Open this. Paste this using hot glue gun like I'm doing here. Here I am using thermocol for filling the space. You can also put some other small gifts if you have. I don't have, that's why I am using thermocol. For closing box, here I am using ribbon. Paste this ribbon using glue. I forgot to shoot that part. Here your gift is ready. Hope you like it, and if you like this video then hit that like button, share with your friends, and also subscribe to my channel if you haven't done it yet. And thanks for watching.